us in the celebration of Diwali. Let's spread the message to make eco-friendly Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you. Have a wonderful day.
I now request all the students to come on stage whose birthday falls between 1st November to 10th November.
My name is Ayan. I am from 3C and my birthday falls on 29th of October. My name is Sona. My birthday falls on 3rd November. I am from class 4C.
My name is Nehal. My birthday falls on 5th November and I am from class 4C.
My name is Pradip Singh. I study in class 4B. My birthday falls on 9th November.
My name is Sona. My birthday falls on 3rd November. My name is Dishya. My birthday falls on 4th November.
My name is Gurveer and my birthday falls on 3 November.
My name is Twinkle Gupta. My birthday falls on 7th November.
My name is Hannah Prakash. My birthday falls on 2nd November.
My name is Krisha and my birthday falls on 16th November. My name is Kavushka and my birthday is
Tell your birthday. Doesn't matter. So what? Both of the I celebrated my birthday one. Tell your name. Come on.
My name is Jay. My birthday falls on November, October.
Let's sing happy birthday for them. And you people should also clap for each other. Everyone will.
I have to share a few words.
I think today is a very vibrant day, isn't it? Why? Yes, because everybody is dressed up in a festive mode and like we are all looking so nice. We are all wearing such colors. So I think the whole atmosphere is of happiness, joy and a lot of positivity. So we've all understood why we celebrate Diwali. I think we've all done. And like last time you did the exercise of Dashera. So today did you get in different parts, like rather in different religions, this time period is celebrated differently. Jains celebrate it as, yes. How do they celebrate? Alright, just sit. So nobody understood, I think, how the Jains celebrate this time period when Diwali is there. Yes.
They celebrate the Lord Mahavira's Nirvan.
Absolutely, they celebrate the Nirvan. And yes,
Ma'am, they celebrate the day of enlightenment
the enlightenment of,
their God.
yes. And how do the Buddhists celebrate? How do the Buddhists celebrate Diwali? I think the class who was doing the assembly, who was there who spoke about, yes?
Ma'am, they celebrate to honor their emperor.
There? And who was their emperor? Yes? Ashoka the Great. Okay, so why we say that this time period basically we celebrate differently, but the basic value is to come together and learn that wherever there will be evil, goodness will always prevail after some time. So the thought was that maybe we have dark days. Dark days means not that there is no light, means when things are not working the way we want. Sometimes it happens that whenever what we feel like, it doesn't happen the way. I didn't get you. Oh, so it happens to you every day that you feel things are not working your way. Yes. Triumph. Yes. So the thing is, why we celebrate these festivals every year, just to understand that whenever there will be some evil, there will be some bad activities, thoughts going on, there will be someone who will come and bring the goodness, bring positivity. We are having war in different countries. Are you aware of? Yes. What are the countries? Yes. So let's listen it from one person. Yes.
Russia, Ukraine, and Israel and Palestine.
Wonderful. So Russia and Ukraine are at war, and Iran and Israel are at war. So don't you think that this is a time period for the whole of the world when things are in darkness? People are trying, they're killing each other, they're fighting. So what is the message that we get while we celebrate these festivals? Yes. Let's not believe in violence. Let's enjoy and talk about things. If we are having difference of opinions, let's sit, solve our problems. Nothing can be resolved by fighting, by war. And at the school level, at your level, you should understand, when you are in your classes, you are at home, you have difference of opinions with your friends, with your sisters, with your brothers. But what is the best way to sort it out? By sitting and resolving and talking about it. Okay, let's decide what is the best way. Supposing both of us want the same thing. The brother and sister are fighting, we want the same thing. We have to resolve. Yes. Either split it if that's possible. A phone to split nahi ho sakta. So, a little while you use, a little while I use.
And we can put it in center and both can watch.
Wonderful. So you can put it in the center and both of you can enjoy. But supposing somebody wants to watch the sports and somebody wants to watch the dance, so you can have different timings. Yes.
Yesterday, somebody was burning crackers in the park and it just I talked to the person. He was fine, and I said, if you want to burn, please tell the people. So can I burn, or if you want to burn, you can go in the park, because I was.
Absolutely. And the most important thing that I want to share with you all is, children, that the basic mantra for all festivals and especially for Diwali is to have a safe festival. Whenever we celebrate, we must take care that we are always burning crackers in the presence of your parents or elders, and always keep a bucket of water and sand so that at any time we have a mishap, you are safe by at least giving that person first aid. So whenever you are going to burn crackers, even if your parents don't know about it, you should tell them, let's keep a small bucket of water and a little sand with you, and also one ointment which can actually, if it's not required, I think that's the best thing, but we should always be prepared So the first aid your friends have already shared with you. I think you must take care and be safe. Burn few crackers, enjoy more, eat and have fun with lots of friends, eat sweets, wear nice clothes. That's a better way to celebrate rather than making all that smoke and sound. So all kinds of pollutions will be there. So what kind of pollutions? And noise pollution? Yes. Absolutely. Everything. Yes. Quickly we finish off now. What you want to say? Loud. Yes. So when we are all aware of such kind of pollutions, children, because we are the ones who are creating problems for us. We'll have itchy eyes. Have you seen? After Diwali, we have burning sensation in the eyes. Why? Because all the crackers are releasing different gases. Alright? So they irritate our eyes. And sometimes we have so much of smoke, you have the breathing problems. So burn very few crackers, but have a safe, green and happy Diwali. So wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali, and I would say many more happy days together with your friends, with your family, the year ahead and for years to come. So class 3D, I think it was a wonderful assembly. Congratulations. Let's appreciate them. So children, whenever we come here, we sit together, we exchange these kind of information and knowledge. You must always seep it and go home and share it with your parents also. Then only we will actually revise what we learned today. I've been telling you in your classes, whatever we hear, we must go and pour it out to someone. That is the best way to remember for a long time.
Information is incorrect.
That you have to filter and inform. You have to decide what information. You got so much of information today. So at least, I would say at least 5 pieces of information should go to your parents. Alright? Thank you children and thank you ma'am.